I'm Olivar.
I'm Peloton. I'm Chempo.
I'm Ong.
I'm Orias.
I'm Pingos.
And we are the Group 4. So today, we are going to demonstrate the characteristic and capabilities of a formal operational stage.
At this stage, one of the features of formal operational is the egocentrism, where an adolescent is overly focused on themselves although others have different thoughts and beliefs. It presents the over-consciousness of their own.
Good morning, class. Before we start, please stand for a prayer. So yesterday, we discussed about the multiplication table from 1 to 10. So as I recall, I will choose one of you to recite in front of me the multiplication table by 9. Can you please recite, Peloton?
9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times 8 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. 9 times 10 equals 90.
Very good.
The video shows the mastered mental ability of the learner by perfectly memorizing the multiplication table by 9.
So, let's move on for our next topic, which is entitled the hypothetical deductive reasoning. So, I have here an example for our lesson, the hypothetical deductive reasoning. So, class, can you please read?
Hypothesis 1. All mammals are animals. Hypothesis 2. All dogs are mammals.
I think is the conclusion. Yes, Antoinette?
The answer is all dogs are animals.
Very good. So I have here a first example of our lesson, the hypothetical deductive reasoning. So class, can you please read?
Hypothesis 1. All plants need sunlight. Hypothesis 2. Sunflower is a plant.
So what do you think is the conclusion? Can you please answer, Miss Irish?
The answer is sunflower needs sunlight.
So how did you come up with that conclusion?
Based on the given hypothesis that all plants need sunlight and sunflower is a plant, where sunflower also needs sunlight.
Thank you. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you for your attention and cooperation.
Here, the situation shows the hypothetical deductive reasoning, where it relies on logical rules and follows a structured, formal pattern, making it a reliable method to come up with a result.
Good day everyone. So today we will be having our experimentation called oblette. So first, we need cornstarch,
Water.
and bowl. So first, we need to put the cornstarch.
Ayun. Ikuan mo. Mix it. Mo niya result.
If you want silang applyan og pressure, mura silang bato.
Gahi siya,
Stone.
di siya mulubong imong kamot.
Yes.
Oh.
But kung di nimo sa applyan og pressure like
Liquid siya,
liquid siya.
Pero og inga na na nimo siya. Oh, di ba di siya mo mulubong oh. Pero og imo
Amazing.
og imo inga naon, liquid ni siya. Oh.
Go.
So this is the result, a non-Newtonian fluid or oblate.
It showcases that a formal operational stage can do experiment and can follow the step procedure to draw a conclusions.